Today, we're making a PVC xylophone. First, we figured out what notes and corresponding PVC lengths we needed. We used this formula and this chart from Michigan Tech for sound frequencies. Our xylophone has the notes C3 through A4. Next, we figured out how we wanted to arrange and assemble our instrument. We went with a cost-friendly option laid out like a piano. Then we made a list and went shopping. We had our green vests cut the PVC lengths a little longer than we calculated so we could fine-tune the tubes. We started out by making the paddles, since it was easiest and we needed a paddle to tune the tubes. We used garden kneeling pads and paint stirrers. We then tuned every single tube. There were 22 total. We put everything together, and now we have a PVC xylophone.